Flying a drone is a great way to enjoy the outdoors, capture views, and have fun flying about. But there are a few things you should do and some safety rules you must follow. First, check how long your batteries last because you don't want your drone to land unexpectedly. Then check for no-fly zones like major airports. You need to stay at least 5.5 kilometres from major airports with a control tower and stay clear of flying aircraft at all times, including helicopter landing sites. You can use a CASA verified drone safety app which helps you find permitted locations to fly in your area. You mustn't operate your drone in populated areas like beaches, public events, high traffic areas and active sports fields, because flying your drone too close to people could injure someone. Even if you've chosen a quiet spot, there's always the chance that people turn up. Your drone must stay at least 30 metres away from them, which is about the length of a basketball court. It's fun to fly high, but you must not fly higher than 120 metres. That's about the height of a 35-storey building. Always keep your drone in your line of sight so you know where it is to reduce the risk of colliding into trees, people, birds or other aircraft. Flying first-person view makes use of an onboard camera that sends live video to goggles, mobile phone or tablet screen. You can fly first-person view indoors for sport or fun provided the drone can't get out of the building. But outside, you will need to be a member of a club with approval to fly first-person view. Drones are becoming more popular, so it's important that all drone operators follow these rules to ensure everyone can have fun and stay safe.